Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel, The Vlog. I'm Shayna and welcome to week 2 of busy season. It is February 10th. So last week I finished with 47 hours, so I'm a little shy of 50. So I'm hoping this week I won't run out of work in the middle of the week. Let's get into my to-do list for today though. So I have 2 meetings. I have a return I need to update. I need to follow up with a client. I have 2 returns I need to review. I still have root testing I need to finish, and I have extensions I need to prepare. So we have a lot of work to do today. Yeah, it's with me for review. I just have one because Heritage is on hold for the audit. Hey guys, so it is 12:25. I just finished eating lunch. I had Chick-fil-A. And yeah, I've been working basically the whole morning. This week in my scheduling meeting, I had 93 hours. We fixed it though. Well, I had to make the updates, but we fixed it. So yeah. And then they were talking about how some of the people, our team members in India aren't like, some of them were only working 20 hours. It's like, so yeah. But I'm getting through my stuff. Just wanted to check in. Hey guys, so it is 5:51. I'm signing off for the day. It's so many hours later because I was just so reviewing this return from the new hire. Oh my goodness. Like it just takes me so long because there's just so many things wrong with it. Like I had to call him one time to explain how work papers are supposed to tie the return because the work papers say we're in income, but the return says we're at a loss. How does that make sense? It doesn't. But it's fine. I ended the day with 8.5 hours, which I think is pretty good to start the week. And now I'm gonna make a Target run because we haven't been to Target in a really long time and I'm missing a lot of things. So I'm back from Target. We had a nice little Target run, nice time to decompress and everything. Got everything I needed. And now we're making dinner and we're having tacos tonight. Hey guys, good morning. It is Tuesday the next day and we have a lot of work to do. I have 5 returns I need to review, 2 returns I need to clear for comments, then I have an extension I need to do, and 1 return I need to finalize. So we have a lot. Hey guys, so it is noon. I'm gonna eat some lunch, which is my leftover tacos from yesterday. And I got through 1 return. I still have everything on my to-do list and more to do. I'm getting a little stressed out, but it's fine. It's fine. Then I got asked to speak at Howard University on like an accounting panel, which I saw the email and I wasn't gonna respond to the email because like I'm open to doing these opportunities, but it's like I don't really want to do them during busy season since I have to work so many hours in the day, and if I take time to do that, then it's like hours that I'm not getting towards my billables. So, but then the lady, she teams me, so I'm just like, okay, fine, I'll do it. So yeah, that's happening on Tuesday of next week. So I'll probably just wake up earlier and start work earlier so I can get as many hours in before I have to go do that in person. So yeah, and then like, I just feel like I'm being so overloaded right now. Like I have emails coming in for people asking me to do things. Then I have the associates asking me questions. I'm wanting to get on calls. So it's kind of just like, I just feel like there's a lot coming at me right now. And it's just really hard for me to like stay in my flow of grinding and like knocking stuff out. So yeah. Hey guys, it is 6:31. I'm signing off for the day. Today I got 9.25 hours. So in total, I have 17.75 hours for the week. I think we're off to a good start. I'm so exhausted. I'm so exhausted. I went to the store earlier because there's a snowstorm happening again in Maryland. And I'm kind of like, why? Because we just had a snowstorm like 1 or 2 weeks ago. So that's annoying. But now we're gonna make dinner and we're having chicken sandwiches for dinner tonight. It is Wednesday, the next day, and I'll show you guys the aftermath of the snowstorm, but it looks terrible out there. So I kind of have a lot of work to do, not a lot of work. Like most of it's the work that I didn't get to yesterday. So it's basically like 1 return I need to review, 2 returns I need to clear comments on, and 1 additional extension I need to prep. And I have 1 meeting at 10 o'clock, and right now it is 9:22. So let's get to it. Yeah, I just sent Will back some comments yesterday, so we're already working on getting that. Hey guys, it is 1:54. I feel like I keep getting interrupted, so it's really hard for me to like get in a flow. So I haven't really finished anything that's on my to-do list as of yet, and I have another meeting at 3 o'clock. I'm just gonna ruin my flow, but you know, I'm hoping to at least get at least 1 thing done before that meeting. Hey guys, so it is 5:57. Please ignore my dog in the background being annoying. It's 5:57 and I'm not signing off. I'm gonna stop working for right now because I need to go. I need to walk Pluto, then I need to go get him some dog food, then I need to make myself some dinner. So after I do all of that, then I'm gonna hop back on just so I can get a few more hours that I want, just to make sure I'm finishing the day, you know. So I'm working more during the week than on the weekend. So what happened last weekend won't happen this weekend. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys, you know, later. So I'm back. I got Pluto his dog food and I was able to make him his grooming appointment because that's the place where I want him to get groomed. And I just haven't had time to call from my obviously busy schedule. So yeah, now I'm gonna clean my kitchen because it's very messy. So I'm gonna clean it so I can make my dinner. And then after I make dinner, clean again. Hey guys, so it is 9:31 and I'm signing off for the night. I managed to work 8.25 hours and in total I have 26 hours right now, which I think we're in a pretty decent spot. So I caught up on everything, like all the stuff up to the emails that I received today to do things. I'm going to do that tomorrow so that I still have work to do tomorrow. So yeah, that's it for today and I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Hey guys, it is Thursday. We just got done being in the gym and I love going to the gym in the morning because, you know, it kind of just takes the stress and it's like a stress reliever during this busy time in my life. Today was just a cardio day, so I just did the 12, 2.5, 30, and now I'm going back home, but I need to check my mailbox because they're telling me it's overflowing, so I need to go check that before I go back to my apartment. What is this? Well, I see why they called me, or sent me an email. I tell you, I was breaking a sweat trying to get all the stuff out the mailboxes, since I had the bigger packages than the other ones. Oh, I'm about to break a sweat again. So I'm gonna make myself an emergency real quick, take a shower, get dressed, walk Pluto, all that good jazz. Okay, so I've done all the jazz that I was talking about. My to-do list is okay. I just have basically everything I need to do today. So I need to prepare another extension. I need to clear comments on one return. I need to update 2 returns. I need to go through some client documents. And that's all for right now, but we'll see what happens, you know, throughout the day. I sent you an email on Tuesday. I think they took out a new loan, but I wasn't entirely sure based on this. Hey guys, so it is 1:03. I've been using my lunch break to try and figure out all this medical insurance stuff. I've been jumping through hoops to get like the ID and like, cause I'm trying to refill my birth control because I've been like, you know, I haven't had it since Sunday, you know, and I tried to refill it at my regular Harris Teeter and they said, oh, we don't take that prescription or we don't take that insurance or whatever. I was like, are you kidding me right now? So I had to transfer it to CVS and now I gotta wait for it to transfer. And I'm just like, bro, because I'm not trying to pay like out of pocket for my birth control. I'm not trying to do that because it's expensive. So I'm just hoping that like, you know, by tomorrow maybe we'll be there. Like, I don't know. Hey guys, I forgot to update you. I'm going to a networking event with college students just to help network and help them get a job or give them advice. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm walking and yeah, hopefully it goes well. I'm a little nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous because I have a job already, but I'm a little nervous. Hey guys, it's the next day. It's Friday. Happy Valentine's Day and happy Galantine'S Day to my girlies out there. And yesterday was great. After the event, we ended up going out to a bar, just like me and my friends that were there. And then we stayed out, you know, not really late. Then I came back and I did a little bit more work. So I didn't really finish until like 1. I didn't go to sleep till 1 o'clock. And then I forgot that I had a doctor's appointment at 7:30 a.m. this morning. So I woke up around like 5:45. So I got roughly around 4 or 5 hours of sleep. So I'm a little sleepy right now, but it's fine. But I finished yesterday with 8.25 hours. So in total, I have 34. Yeah, I have 34.25 hours. So, you know, again, not too shabby for the week. Yeah. So I don't really know. I don't think I have anything major to do right now. So I'm kind of just waiting for, I guess, returns to come back to me right now. Also, I went to Dunkin' this morning because every time I have my doctor's appointment this morning was my allergist appointment for my allergy shots. I only get that once a month. So I usually go to Dunkin', and I went to Dunkin'. Well, the Dunkin' that I go to, because it's like right next to the doctor's office, it was closed. Like when I went into the app, it said location is closed. I was like, okay. So I went to one closer to my house, and then they messed up my drink order, which kind of made me upset. But then I got the little heart brownie batter donut. That's honestly my favorite like specialty donut. So I love when Valentine's Day comes around because that's the only time it's available. So I'm gonna eat that, and let me tell y'all what my actual to-do list is. So the other thing I really have is just admin stuff and doing just admin stuff really. And I have to answer a question. I just have admin stuff to do, and then I'm gonna help get some of the extensions ready for the federal, because those are automatically e-filed. So that's all I'm really doing right now. I'll update y'all around lunchtime to see if I get any more work. Hey y'all, so it is 1:34. Like I said, I've really just been doing the admin stuff, but I just got a return that I need to review, so I'll be doing that for the rest of the afternoon. I don't know how long it's gonna take me because I'm gonna have to update it in case the person didn't clear my comments. But I'm kind of just trying to get used to like being asked questions a lot, because last busy season I was still like in the preparer role. But now that I'm like a senior for real, like it's more so they're asking me questions more on like a daily basis, which can be not annoying, but it's kind of just like it keeps getting me out of my flow. So I'm trying to adjust for that right now. Hey guys, so I'm finally signing off. It is 7:34 and I got 9 hours today, which I'm happy about. And that leaves me with 43.25 hours right now. So I need to work at least like a little over 6 hours in order to hit the 50 mark, which I don't think should be a problem because I'm not really doing anything this weekend. So yeah, but right now I'm getting ready to go to a Galantine'S Day sleepover with my friends, but there's a few things I need to do before I can go. I need to go buy some pink PJs because I don't own any. So we're gonna handle that. We're gonna get ourselves together and then we're gonna go handle that. Okay guys, let me turn my hair off. Finally, we got it. I went to like 3 stores. I went to Aerie, they had nothing. Forever 21, I was gonna go and I saw things in the window. I was like, okay, bet. Why are they already closed? Okay, so I was like, fine. So then we went to Macy's. I was like, it's okay. Macy's closes later than the rest of the mall. Of course, they get me now, but Macy's is closing in 10 minutes. I was like, okay. But I found something. I feel like it's doing a lot for a Galantine'S Day sleepover, but they're pink. It's the assignment, and I'm not so out of breath from walking so fast. But yeah, we got it. I'll show you guys when I have it on. You'll see what I mean. But yeah, so now I'm going to my friend's house. Look how pretty it is, guys. They got the balloons and the flowers. It's so nice. And a car. Ooh. Please explain what we're doing.
We're making sex on the beach. Yep. Ooh. And then soon we're about to make our own little pieces.
Ooh.
Happy Valentine's. Oh yeah, cranberry. Mm-hmm.
guys, it's the next day. I just had so much fun last night with my girls for Galantine's Day. Our pizza, 10 out of 10 recommend. I get to see where they got that sauce from. And the pesto, I think the pesto underneath the sauce was what really like topped it off. So now it's the next day and I have a lot of things to do today. Well, I gotta work and then I'm going to my man's cousin's engagement party. So I need to go to the mall and buy a dress for that. So yeah, got a lot to do. Okay, so I'm in Zara right now, and I really like how this dress looks. Forget the belt. I'm not wearing it with the belt. I don't know what's going on with it. But I like how it looks, especially like the top. I think it looks really nice, and I feel like it really like flatters my shape. So I'm gonna keep this as an option because I like it. What do y'all think? So I'm in Akira right now, and I really like this dress. I really like it. I think it looks really cute, and I don't think it's too short in the back. Like, and I want to wear some tights with it. I feel like that might calm it down too. I don't know, what do you guys think? I really like this one. Okay, this is the next one. I like this one too, you know, like little nice long sleeve off the shoulder action. Like, my man likes both of them. I didn't really like this dress on me personally, so he said to choose between this one or the black one. I don't know which one I'm gonna do. I may have to call some friends because I don't know. The only thing about this one is like I don't really like how it's like my stomach, you know. But we'll see which one I choose. Okay, so we're done shopping in the mall. I ended up buying both dresses because I just love them both so much. But my friend said I should go with the brown one since I'm meeting his extended family for the first time, and that would be like more like conservative. So we're going to wear the brown one today. But me and my friends are actually going out to brunch in a few weeks, so we're gonna wear the black one to brunch. So now we're gonna. I think I need to stop by Target real fast, and then we're gonna go home. myself. I feel pretty. So this is the final look. Ooh, that's awkward. This is the final look. I'm gonna put this on. It's actually a bracelet, but I wear it as an anklet because it's too big for my wrist. And we're gonna get ready to go now.